Hi, in this video we're gonna see the transistor and MOSFETs. So as you can see here in the schematic, this is the transistor symbol, okay? We have here Q, the reference of transistor is Q in the schematic, and as you can see we have emitter, base and collector, okay? And here we have this arrow. This arrow determine the type of transistor. Is it PNP or NPN? So as you can see here, we have two kinds of transistor. We have this arrow goes to emitter, means this is NPN. Okay, as you can see, NPN, and here PNP transistor. And here, as you can see, this is MOSFET, the symbol of the MOSFET. We have Q, the same reference. Okay, so the MOSFET also has two types, PNP and NPN. So in accordance with this arrow, so we have a drain, source, and gate. Okay, drain, source, gate. Okay, so we have the source. So this is NPN, and this is PNP. When the arrow goes from gate to source, means PNP. So we're gonna test these transistors using the multimeter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to test and to check whether the transistor and MOSFETs are good or not using the multimeter. Of course, we're gonna select the buzzer option or the continuity option. Here, as you can see, this is transistors. All these are transistors. We have Q, so Q means transistor. Okay, so we have Q 10016, Q 10020, etc. Okay, we're gonna check all these transistors. And here, as you can see, this is not transistor. This is here we have D. D means diode. Okay, basically this component contains two diodes in it. Okay, but in terms of measurement, it's not a transistor. It's not like a transistor, and you should pay attention. You should never replace a bad transistor with a diode like this. Okay, there is a big difference between these two components. So for the transistor, the reference is Q, and for diode, the reference is D. Okay. So now we're gonna test this transistor, as you can see, using the multimeter. So always, as you can see, this pin is the gate or the base, source, and drain. Okay, base, source, and drain. So let's put one probe here of the multimeter and do another probe here. As you can see, we have 595. So this is a good transistor. As you can see, when you get a reading like this, 500, 600, etc., means this is a transistor. So when we switch the probes, we get another reading, a higher reading in the multimeter, means this transistor is good. So every transistor you should get a reading, a right reading in just one direction. Okay, and here, as you can see, between base and source, no reading. Between base and collector, no reading. Okay, this is a good transistor. We're gonna use the same principle. Check this diode. As you can see, we have a reading here between drain. We have a reading, and we have a reading here. So this component contains two diodes, as you can see. This is the first diode, and this is the second diode. Two diodes that are connected together. Okay, so in terms of measurement, these two components, the transistor and the diode, double diode, are different in terms of measurement. I'm going to show you the symbols of these two components, as you can see here. So for the transistor, as you can see, this is the symbol of the transistor. As you can see, we have here base, the first terminal, and over here, as you can see, let's assume we have emitter. Okay, so this is PNP transistor, and here we have collector. So this is PNP transistor, okay, because the arrow, as you can see, is from emitter to base. Goes to the base means penetrates, okay. This is PNP transistor. So here, if we check this transistor using the multimeter, we will get here a reading about 600 or 595. If we get this reading between emitter and collector, means the transistor is good. So let's draw the NPN transistor this time. Okay, of course we have three terminals. This is collector, base, and emitter. Now we're gonna draw the arrow in direction of emitter. So this is NPN, no penetrate. Okay, the arrow is no penetrate, means NPN. Okay, this is NPN. Okay, so this is the arrow determine the difference between NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Of course, if we check between the collector and emitter, we will get a reading, of course. Okay, we will get a reading. So now I'm going to show you the symbol of this component, this diode. This is basically a transistor. This is the shape of transistor, but in terms of measurement and functioning, it's not the same. So I'm going now to draw the symbol of that kind of component. As you can see, two diodes that is connected, as you can see, together. So these diodes can be connected in the cathode or in its anodes, as you can see. The same. When we check these terminals, we will get two reading, as you can see, because it contains two diodes, as you can see. That's why we get two readings. Okay, so we have the first terminal, the second, and the third terminal. Do you see? There is a difference, a big difference between transistor and this kind of diode. As you can see here in the schematic, these two diodes can be connected into anodes or cathodes, as you can see. So of course, the same working principle as the transistor, but in terms of measurement is not the same. So here, as you can see, we have other transistors. As you can see, we have Q main transistors. We're gonna check this transistor. So of course, we will always select the continuity option or the diode option in the multimeter. So let's check this transistor. So between source and drain, we get a reading here. So we put the read probe in the source and we get a reading. Means this is NPN transistor. Okay, this is NPN transistor. So let's check this again. Also, this is NPN transistor. So when you put the read probe in the source and the black probe in the drain and you get a reading, means NPN transistor. And when you put the black probe in the source and the red probe in the drain and you get a reading, means PNP transistor. So here for this MOSFET, as you can see, this is the source. Okay, if we put the red probe in the source and the black probe in the drain and we get a reading, means this is NPN MOSFET. Okay, so this kind of MOSFET is NPN MOSFET. Okay, NPN MOSFET. The arrow is from source to base. Basically, the MOSFET and the transistor is not the same in the symbol. Okay, it's not the same in its symbols. So for this kind of MOSFET, as you can see, so here also, this is NPN MOSFET, as you can see. Okay, this is NPN MOSFET, as you can see. Okay, if we check the diode, we will get a reading. So this is NPN MOSFET. The arrow is from source to gate. But for this kind of MOSFET here, this is PNP, as you can see. The arrow is from gate to source. So if we want to check this MOSFET, we should put the black probe in the drain and the red probe in the source. Okay? And we will get a reading. Okay, so this is a PNP MOSFET, and this one is NPN MOSFET. You see, the direction of the diode is not the same in these two MOSFETs. Okay, so this is NPN and this is PNP MOSFET. Okay,